Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Create a Stockx account, verify your email, enable two-factor authentication, and add a primary payment method before you shop. Spend time on market research. Open the product page, view the live lowest ask, the highest bid, recent sale history, and 90-day volatility to spot trends. Confirm your exact size, colorway, and condition expectations, and check if ID verification or additional documentation is required for high-value items or certain regions to avoid delays. Decide between buy now and placing a bid. Buy now executes immediately at the listed ask price and completes payment authorization at checkout, while a bid registers your interest and only charges your payment method if a seller accepts it. Factor in buyer fees, which typically range between 3% and 10% depending on your account level, plus seller-set shipping fees often in the to 5 range. After the sale, Stockx handles authentication, which usually takes about 24 to 72 hours before delivery. After a seller accepts your order, they typically have 2 business days to ship the item to Stockx's authentication center. You will receive tracking information once Stockx forwards the authenticated item to you. If an item fails authentication, Stockx issues a refund to the buyer and handles the rejected item per seller policies, so you will not be charged for unauthenticated goods. To reduce risk, set price alerts, check recent sale prices, calculate the max bid including fees and shipping, and avoid buying items you expect to return.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.